welcome once again to Ian's vlog. What's going on today? Well, the moment we're in England. Today we're travelling back to Switzerland, but we're not travelling alone. My sister's coming along, so that should be fun. We're going to be doing lots of fun things, travelling, sightseeing. So 2 or 3 minutes, off we go. We're going to go and pick her up, jump in a taxi, go to the airport, and then the fun begins. So watch on, follow this one. See you later, guys. Manchester Airport, please, mate.
Terminal 1.
Terminal EasyJet. Linda, are you nervous?
Yes.
Yes. Here we go, we've arrived at Manchester Airport. Let's get the hell out of this place.
There we go.
Woo! Bring it on.
Are you ready for us?
Let's go, huh?
I'm not scared anymore, I'm excited now.
Yeah, wait till you get on that boat and you can start getting seasick. Come on, this way. Let's get on the plane and fly to Basel. What's the seat number, Linda?
22.
22 what?
E.
And me?
F.
Who's the F?
F in L.
Ooh, Jesus Christ. Keep going.
Afternoon, guys, alright?
Yeah,
Hi.
good. On time today?
So far.
So far.
I mean, we're going through France, so I can't go.
All aboard! We landed, Linda!
Yay!
Hey! In the rain. She brought some Stockport rain with her.
Oh yeah!
Hey, me? Me? Aye.
Oh, I remember that. Oh, got that?
Looks like it. Long journey.
Yes! Oh.
So now you can tell me exactly what you've been doing last night. On your first night in Switzerland. Food.
Eating.
Yeah, so you like Swiss food then?
I like Thai food as well.
Oh, you went to a Thai restaurant?
I definitely went to a Thai restaurant.
Thai restaurant in Switzerland.
Had the best Thai meal ever.
Yeah.
In Switzerland.
Well, I'm happy to see you're acclimatising to Swiss culture. Fried rice and spicy chicken.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so it's Linda's first day today, and she's sitting down, she's chilling out, and she's doing a crossword. And I think I saw her smoking a cigarette at one point, but I'm not too sure.
Or 2, or 3.
And then we're going to jump in the car and we're going to go to a place called Insel Mainau, which is an island in the Lake of Constance. A couple of hours drive from here, and it's a great place to be. It's idyllic, really. And we're going to go and see all the flowers and the trees, and I think there's probably going to be a springtime exhibition there. We're going to go and enjoy that, and then we'll probably come back, watch the King's coronation, and get drunk.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan to me.
It sure does.
Well, we've just spent about an hour and a half on the motorway, and we have arrived.
Do I need this?
So we've basically arrived on the just over the German border in Insel Mainau, the island of Mainau, and it's an absolutely beautiful day. Really, blue skies, nice temperature, no wind. You know, isn't it, Linda? It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Linda, so speak some German.
Ausfahrt.
Ausfahrt. What does it mean?
Get out of here.
Hey guys, can we take a photograph with my sister, please? She's all the way from England. Please. 10, I'll give you €10.
10.
Yeah, with my sister. She's from Manchester. No.
€9.
Huh?
Vanaf die kralie. €9.
I haven't got any oil.
Ja,
Pounds? No.
Precies mag je niks.
Are you a gentleman or not? Yeah. All right, no face. He's a real gentleman. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is quite a moment actually. I don't know if you can hear in the background, we've got some bagpipes playing, some Scottish pipes, and the time is now, it's exactly Central European time. It is exactly now 1 o'clock, which means back in the UK it's 12 o'clock, and 12 o'clock King Charles III will be officially crowned in his coronation with his Queen, and this is a mark of respect. This is obviously a mark of respect for the crowning of our king.
Just give me goosebumps. A memory I'll never forget. Sat here as King Charles is being crowned by the most beautiful lake in Germany.
That was a hell of a speech. That was from my sister. My sister. Linda, what's your favourite part? Is it being in the lake or being with the flowers?
Flowers.
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 Look at the lake.
No, I like the lake, but I like the flowers better.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a glorious way to spend a Saturday in the middle of the springtime, at the beginning basically. As most men of my age know, that if the women are happy, happy wife, happy, what do they say? Happy wife, happy life. Is that what they say, darling? Happy wife, happy life. Yeah, so if the women are happy, you know, I'm happy too.
Bye guys, thank you. Have a great night.
Sunday morning, and we have attacked the breakfast buffet big time. Yeah, this is round one. Let's take a look around. There we've got some bacon, we've got some 2 different types of sausages, a pork and a veal, a couple of eggs there, there's some potatoes under it, some freshly made bread that was done this morning, croissants, tiny little croissants for the cappuccino there, freshly pressed orange juice. Linda, what have you got?
Cappuccino.
The same, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like bread with your butter?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Darling, scrambled. Okay, show me. That's a bit of a runny one, that.
Isn't it?
Yeah,
You know where that's going, don't you?
it's gone. Linda, did you enjoy that?
No.
Huh?
No, it was awful.
Yeah. I don't eat much in the mornings. I've always said, oh, I don't go for breakfast, me. Should have seen her polish it off.
Oh, big time.
Anyhow, so what we're doing now, we've finished the breakfast and we've got to go for a walk. Let's take a look around. Linda, you're not supposed to give them dandelions. You want to murder them?
They keep asking me for more.
There you go.
Linda, you're giving them dandelions again.
They like them. It's like cake for them.
Huh?
I'm stewing garlic and onions.
Let's have a look. That looks tasty.
I'm just about to make a paella for all the family.
Let's have a look what she's doing then. What have you got? You've got some...
I've got some prawns on the go. I've got some peppers. I've got some chopped tomatoes. Some of that. And some of that.
Some of that.
And don't forget the rice.
And what about...
Bob's your uncle. And some stock.
Have you seen she's made green mushy peas?
Yeah, I've made some stock as well.
How do you have green mushy peas with...
Oh, I
paella?
know. I bring them over from England and I soak them overnight in their water.
Yeah, so what's going on today then? The sun has left us. I think it's raining out there, but we're on the train, so it doesn't matter. We're on the train. Linda's got the choo-choo train today. We're going for a day trip. We're going on the mountains. We're going on the Alps. We're going to go discovering some rocky mountains. Are you ready for it? A Rocky Mountain trip. Huh?
Maybe.
You're not awake yet, are you?
No,
No?
no, no.
You're still half asleep. Guys, we have arrived in Luton main station. Where are we going now, Linda?
Hello, up there.
Yeah, that was a nice little meander around the city, or the central, the middle of Luton, around the old town, over the bridge, blah blah blah. And now we're moving on towards the quay, and we're going to get, what are we going to get, Linda?
We're going to get a boat.
We're going on that thing there.
On that one there.
Yeah.
That one.
We're going to get a boat, and the sun's come out, the jackets have come off, and the sunglasses have come on. So let's go and get burnt on the boat.
Bird shit.
Okay. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. We've boarded the boat on Quay 1, and we're going to be taking a trip along the lake now. I think it takes about an hour or something, you know, because it stops off on the way. But we're going to head to a place called Vidsnau, and then from Vidsnau we get off, and then we get another train. But that train goes a little bit up. See you later. Have you got your sun cream on?
What?
Have you got your sun cream?
No. Didn't bring any.
You're gonna burn your toes again. You burnt your toes yesterday.
I've got different shoes on.
Yeah, it's a good idea. She burnt her toes yesterday. Yeah, this is what we call the riggy barn, right? Riggy barn, yeah, and it's taking us now from Vidsnau down there to the top of the riggy. Huh?
Oh, you missed it.
I wonder.
Beautiful view.
Oh,
Bay. And again.
this is Aro.
Pretty.
Lovely. This is the old town of Aro.
Nice.
Me, Calvados.
Yeah, you did years ago. You did. You used to drink it.
Nah.
You did.
Got the wrong person there.
No, you
I'd
did.
never drink Calvados.
You did many moons ago.
And then you've got all your prezzies there. You know, like for Mummy, dear Mummy, and the rest of it. And then...
That's perfect Mother's Day gift.
Oh yeah, definitely. Well, it's Mother's Day on Sunday.
Oh, is it here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had ours. Ours is gone.
So you're impressed with Aro?
Beautiful.
What are you looking at?
That one. It is.
Really?
Yeah.
Way to Manchester, we shall not be moved. Well, on our way to Manchester, we shall not be moved. Did you enjoy yourself, Linda?
No shit.
Huh?
I'm coming again.
You're not coming back?
No, coming again.
Oh.
Up and away.
Yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. We had lots of fun. It was all about Linda, my sister, coming over to Switzerland and doing all the things that we enjoyed doing over there, hanging around mountains, lakes, rivers, flowers, you name it. We got the whole thing in for the weekend. So yeah, I just want to say thank you very much. And if you did enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy it, give us a thumbs down. At least we know you're watching it until the very end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So once again, thanks for watching.